Hi everyone, my name is Kovi. Do you want to join the fastest growing sector that gives you a rewarding and well-paid career? Well, look no further, IT is your best choice. To ensure that our students get a solid head start in their IT careers, School of IT partners with tech giants such as Microsoft, IBM, Cisco, Oracle, and many more. With our strong industry partnerships, you can expect to work with these industry leaders.
I was a Microsoft student partner in SIT and I got the opportunity to lead my international community in Seattle and San Francisco. This got me started on my journey to study overseas in the US too.
Hi, I'm Jachin, the Google Developer Student Club Lead for Nanyang Polytechnic. As a Google Developer Student Club Lead, I have the opportunity to participate in Google Technology Conference, network with Googlers, and even visit Google Singapore office.
You can also obtain valuable industry certifications.
I'm industry certified.
So am I.
So am I.
So am I.
And you can work on cool projects with advanced tech from the industry.
So a robot I'm working on helps to keep students vigilant during this pandemic situation.
Hello, have you done your health declaration?
Our project uses virtual reality to make learning Mandarin fun.
The data collected from this Mimi board helps to track the progress of the children's learning.
Hi Mimibot, I'm happy today.
Why do you feel happy?
I'm excited for school tomorrow.
We use gadgets like this to measure the brainwave of our subjects in the aim to enhance creativity.
You'll get to work on R&D projects at world-renowned research labs.
At IBM Toronto Research Labs, I created a dynamic AI chatbot for workflows.
Hi there, my name is Isaiah. Back in Nanyang Polytechnic, I was given the opportunity to perform my internship at the University of Waikato in New Zealand. There, I developed a software to detect and visualize ransomware. The project was eventually featured on TEDx by Professor Ryan Koh.
Come, level up your IT skills with us through all the opportunities that you will get with our industry partners. Join us now!